Good morning. Just woken up. Good night's sleep, but as you can see from, even my necklace mark, I stupidly caught the sun. Stupid. Like, I'm a dickhead. So, yeah, not the comfiest of sleeps with my shoulders, but I'm just going to do a heat check, temperature check. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, so hang on. Okay, that's the noise from my aircon. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, that's a nice temperature. Right, I'm going out shopping. I need food, and this is good. It's not hot, but you know what? How hot is it going to get? I think it's going to be another scorcher. I think it's going to be another 40 degree, but not just yet. So, quick run out, food, back, gym, and we don't start till 2 o'clock today, which is amazing, but we finish at 10, which sucks. Second day of rehearsals. People are warming up. Oh, complete outfit. We're in rehearsal. I'm gonna try and get a sneaky peek. First day rehearsal with the chorus. They sound amazing.
Yeah, look, now I see how it stays. It's easier to just have a longer note so I can get strength at the end.
Along the monster atheist road, with more than human pride, with more than human pride, with more than human pride.
How good did that sound? So good. It's gonna be good shows here. Adelaide, you're lucky.